Wow, this is a field of glory, guys. I mean, nothing else to explain it. Every time I use this color palette, I get fascinating effects. Usually cells, obviously, but in so many different variations and ways. And I've used this color several times recently. I will link those videos for you to take a look. But these are the largest cells that I've been able to keep or have gotten, and they're just amazing. Again, small ones, big ones, cool shapes. Feels very galactic in areas anytime you get the black in the cells. But these are just absolutely beautiful. And I love the ones with the yellow gold inside. Amazing. Just amazing. And the depth as usual, just gorgeous. I recently used these colors in like a small little marbled pour. I will link that as well for you. And how gorgeous is that? I believe I called it golden marbled. But I love the striations and the patterns. And I really like the composition in this one as well. Of course, you know I love my black negative space. Sides are gorgeous. I love this. You do too, and you want to see more. You gotta let me know. Leave a comment and hit that like button. Feel free to share it to your social medias. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next pour.